Ray diagrams for image formation by concave lens. First, similar to convex lens, draw a line representing the principal axis. Mark the optical center O, F1, to F1, F2, to F2 using the same distance on both sides. O, F2, to F2, F1, to F1. Distance between each of these is of 2 cm. Use a compass to draw the two arcs of the concave lens. Take the same distance to draw the second arc of this concave lens. Make sure that the lens is thin. Don't draw the thick lens. These important basic steps are necessary for drawing ray diagram of concave lens. Case 1. Position of the object at infinity. As we have seen earlier, in case of convex lens, we know that if the object is at infinity, incident rays are parallel to the principal axis. Use Rule 1 for concave lenses. Rule 1. When the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the refracted ray, when extended backwards, passes through the focus. When these rays are produced backwards, they are seem to be intersecting on the same side as that of the object. Properties of the image are: position of the image on the first focus F1, size of the image, point image, nature of the image is virtual and erect. Case 2. Position of the object anywhere between optical center and infinity. Use Rule 1. When the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the refracted ray, when extended backwards, passes through the focus. We know that when the incident ray passes through the optical center of the lens, it passes without changing its direction. image is observed here. What are the properties of this image? Position of the image between optical center O and F1. Size of the image small than that of the object. Nature of the image, it is virtual and erect.